Now let's look at what D has to say. So D is limit as x going to 4 of h of g of x. So we're going to split that up once again into 4 from the left and 4 from the right. All right. So we're pulling it inside, pulling this inside to g of x. All right. So we'll look at x is going to 4 from the left of g of x. This piece here, we're going to look at this first. So x is going to 4 from the left of g of x. So here's 4. Let me pick a darker color. Here is 4. Okay, we're looking at it coming in from the left of 4. Coming in from the left of 4, we look at the y values coming in to g. All right, so the g values, the y values, coming into 4 from the left. And if we go over to the y-axis and see what those actual values are, they are coming in to 1 from the left of 1. So that's why I have here coming in from the left of 1, and then we look at h of x. All right, so now we go over to 1 for h of x, and we come in from the left of 1. So here's 1. Come in from the left of 1, we get 1. That's what's happening. So that's why we get 1 here. All right, so now let's look at this one. X is going to 4 from the right. X is going to 4 from the right of g of x. So we go back to g. Now we're coming in from the right of 4, and it looks like it's getting to the same numbers there from the 1 from the left. So that's what we look at for h. Coming in 1 from the left is still going to be 1. Those two answers are 1. So they're both the same exact 1. And so that's why that answer was 1. All right, I'm going to skip to this one here, this g of x. Okay, let's check that out. So it's x is going to 2 of g of x. So I'm going to split it up once again. I'm going to pull this inside, and I'm going to split it up into 2 from the left and 2 from the right. So let's look at g when x is going to 2 from the left. So go to g. Let me erase all this now. And we're going to look at 2 from the left. So once again, here's 2. And we come into 2 from the left. So 2 from the left, it looks like the y values are these guys. Let me pick a different color, like red. 2 from the left looks like it's coming into 1 from the right. So 2 from the left, the y value, wait, I'm sorry, that's not 1. It's 2 from the left. It looks like the y values, yeah, it was 1. The y values are here, okay? And it's coming into 1 from the right. 2 from the left, the y value, as x is going to 2 from the left, the y values are coming into 1 from the right. So that's how I have 1 from the right here. And now we're going to apply that to g of x again because it's g of x. So now let's look at what happens to the y values as x goes to 1 from the right. So as x goes to 1 from the right, we erase all this, now we're coming into 1 from the right of 1. It looks like your y values are coming into 4. This is a 4. So it comes into 4 for that one. Okay, so that would be why I have 4 here. Okay, now, as x is going to 2 from the right of g of x, limit x is going to 2 from the right of g of x. So let's go back over there, 2 from the right of g of x. 2 from the right, here's 2. 2 from the right of g of x. It looks like it's coming into 1 from the left. 1 from the left. And so that's why I have down here 1 from the left of g of x. So when we go back up to the graph of g of x, 1 from the left of g of x, one from the left of g of x, it's these values here, which are, looks like it's going to be 1. So it's going to be 1. 1 from the left comes into the y values are 1. All right, so that would be a 1 there. That's why I got 1 here. And since those two are not the same, the answers does not exist. So I hope that makes sense.